Hello everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this video, I am going to explain Python program to print prime numbers. Okay, to print prime numbers up to n. For example, if I give a number n equal to 10, then we have to print the prime numbers up to 10. For example, it starts from 2, then 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, then 7 is a prime number. So you have to print 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. This is the program to print prime numbers up to the specified number. Okay. So in the last video, I have explained how to print the prime numbers. Now, by using this similar logic, just we have to extend that for each number you are going to check it. Okay, so you have to start for each number. Okay, for each number in the range of 2 to n plus 1. So we are going to start from 2 to n plus 1. The reason is the end number will not be included, so n plus 1, so it will be included, right? Then we are starting from 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now you have to check this number is prime number or not. If this is a prime number, then you have to print. So for this, you have to take another for loop for I in range of, okay, 2 comma num. So till that number you have to repeat. Now if this number, okay, if this number modulus I, right? So normally you are going to take 2, right? So here every time this number can be changed. So num mod I equal to 0, then we can say that it has some factors, right? So we can say it is a break, it is not a prime number. So otherwise, okay, otherwise else, so it is a prime number. So you are going to print the num. So this is the logic. Okay, this is the logic we have written in the previous video. Okay, I am giving this link also in the description. You can please check it out. But just erase a chain, it is going to have num modulus 2. That's it. Only one number we are going to check. Okay. So let's write the program. Go to the IDLE. Take a new file. Save this file as program 19. Okay. Program to print prime numbers till a number n. N will be taken by the user. Okay. So now, how can we write the logic here? N equal to int of input of enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Now we got n. So print, just a print statement, prime numbers up to, okay, n. Okay, up to n, or it's a just a display message, prime numbers up to n or. Now here we are writing the logic for num in range of, okay, you start from 2 to n plus 1 for each number. Okay, for each number you are going to check this number for I in range of 2 comma num. If this number, okay, num modulus I equal to 0, then we are going to break it. It is not a prime number. So if any of the number is not divisible, then we are going to print a number. Okay. So very simple logic. Let's execute this. Enter a number. If I give 10, prime numbers up to 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Let's execute another test case. Okay. Run this. Prime numbers up to 100. You see that up to 100 you are going to get. But as I mentioned here, still you can optimize this code. Okay, you no need to iterate till num, can go to till num by 2 also. Okay, but this program is focused on just giving a very simple logic for the beginners. Okay, if you like this video, Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on computer education. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.